A-Team Online Marketing Business Presentation. A-Team meaning aiming to empower all men. Tagline of A-Team is we are here to help, meaning this program is created mainly because of those who are financially in need. So this is the Pay Light Ruby program business presentation. To give a little back about the company, here it is. Company launched last September 2012. The office of the company is located at Newton Plaza, Old Santa Mesa Street, Santa Mesa, Manila. President of this company is Mr. Christopher Cheng, one of the fastest earning network marketers in the history of this industry. Here are the company legalities to show you that the company is completely legal. Company stability. Company is backed up by multi-million businesses like trucking businesses, trailer parts businesses, pharmaceutical businesses, restaurants, hotels, lotto outlets, fitness centers to assure you that the company is completely stable. Okay, before we continue, let's differentiate first the difference between network marketing and pyramiding. Akala kasi ng maraming tao, parehas lang networking sa pyramiding. Actually, magkaiba. Ano yung difference? Pyramiding, yun yung illegal na business. Most of the time, wala silang office, hindi sila registered ng government, walang produkto, they focus mainly on recruitment and investment. While network marketing, it's a legal business, it has a main office, it focuses on networking products or marketing products, so it's completely legal. Now, since networking tayo, we are dealing with network marketing, we do have products. The first product is glutathione soap. It's called A-Gluta soap. The next product is Lalakas Papaya soap, a herbal soap for whitening again. Next is the whitening creams. These are glutathione beauty creams. Number 1 is sunblock cream, glutathione cream, underarm whitening cream. Next is glutathione capsules. Next product are the scents and perfumes. Here in A-Team, we have what we call the A fragrances. Is a eau de parfum which is oil-based, meaning ito yung klase ng mga perfume na tumatagal pag spray mo sa katawan. Yung scents natin, we base it from the top most famous scents in the world right now. Next is the A Secret Scents, which is a body mist fragrance. Next is we've got health drinks. Number 1 is Coffee King. It's a 5-in-1 coffee drink with anti-cancer, anti-aging property. Next is the Chocomix drink, a health drink for children, very delicious, has a memory enhancer. At the same time, it enhances the growth of young people. Next is we've got household products, mainly detergent powder. Second is fabric conditioner. Third is dishwashing liquid. Last product, but not the least, is the A-Rub. It is used to soothe aches and muscle pains. Papahid mo lang siya sa katawan, tapos nakakawala ng sakit ng katawan. So here are the price list of the products. Now, let's discuss the marketing plan. Dito mo makita kung paano ka matutulungan ng A-Team kumita ng pera. But first, let's compare A-Team muna so you could see the difference. Ano yung difference ng A-Team sa ibang networking companies? Number 1 is the capital. Siyempre, every business deals with capital. Range ng capital sa ibang networking companies ranges from 8,000 to 15,000. So actually, that's the major problem. Bakit? Kasi hindi naman sa panahon ngayon, hindi ka naman basta-basta maglalabas ng 8 to 15,000. Kasi medyo malaki na rin yan. Diba? Pero, sabi nga nila, pag gusto mo, may paraan. So they are suggesting this what we call W-Boost. W stands for withdraw, B stands for benta, U stands for utang, S stands for sanla, H stands for hingi. Pero the problem is, paano wala ka ma-withdraw? Wala ka mabenta, wala ka mautang, wala ka masanla, wala ka mahingian, lalo na sa ganung kalaking kapital. Eh di wala ka rin negosyo. Sabi nga natin, di ba? Pag wala kang kapital, huwag mo na isipin kumita. Pero ang tanong, paano kung nagawan mo ng paraan? Nakapaglabas ka 8,000. Bakit maraming nakapaglabas sa 8,000 na hindi pa rin kumita? Nalugi pa rin. Why? Kasi akala nila, ang sinasabi sa kanila, pag ikaw naglabas ka ng ganyang kalaking kapital, kikita ka na. Pero actually, hindi pa. Because merong pangalawang problema. At ito yung major problem na naging reason kung bakit nalulugi ang tao sa network marketing. Ano to? Yung sino. Maaaring nakapaglabas ka nga ng 8 to 15,000 o nagawa mo ng paraan yan. Pero ang tanong, meron ka bang kakilala na kaya rin maglabas ng 8 to 15,000? Kasi kung wala ka mabibentahan ng package. Kung gano'n na mangyari, wala kang kikitain. Sabi ko nga, hindi basta-basta ang 8 to 15,000. So dito sa A-Team, ito ang good news. Ito ang pinagkaiba. Dito sa A-Team, gumawa kami ng paraan kung saan makakapagsimula ka sa maliit na puhunan. Magkano? That is 999 pesos only. Plus product processing for Manila, 50 pesos. If you want shipping, you only need to add 200. So the investment, the capital is only 999. Pero syempre, hindi yan pwedeng walang kapalit. Dito sa A-Team, you get to choose from 3 packages. Package A, Package B, Package C. Discuss ko kung ano makuha mo kapalit ng iyong 999. At kung sulit ba o hindi. Package A. You get 8 boxes of egg gluta soap. This is worth 960 pesos. You get 8 boxes of egg gluta soap. This is worth 960 pesos. You get 4 e-retailership activation. Maganda sa e-retailership activation natin. Unlike sa iba, na per network, isang SIM card. Dito, one SIM card, pwede mo na maloadan lahat. Ang cost nito sa labas, actually, per network, per SIM card, is 300 pesos. Pero dito sa A-Team, we give 4. So, parang at least, dito, you get another 1,000 in return. Worth of e-load retailership activation. Next, kung nasa Manila area ka, you can go to the office because you have a privilege to attend basic to advanced unique sales, marketing, advertising, entrepreneurship, life coaching, seminar, workshops worth at least 20,000. And that is for free pag sa A-Team ka. Next is, you get an initial down payment of worth of 10,000 on our Captain Sandwiches and franchise, rice meals franchise. Privilege of buy one take two on A-Team products. 35 to 70% discount on all A-Team products. Online business account na makukuha mo para ma-monitor mo lahat ng sales mo kung magkano na kinikita mo. You get a sales kit. And lastly, you get 10,000 pesos accident insurance from the company. So all in all, sa binayad mo 999, ang kapalit nun is 41,000 up to 46,000 worth of return. Next is Package B. Package B, ang pinagkaiba lang is, imbis na 8 gluta soaps, you get 1A fragrance perfume plus 1 gluta soap. Sa Package C naman, instead of you getting 8 gluta soaps, you get 8 e-load retailership activation. Ang point lang dito, kung titingnan natin, you invested 999. May kapalit 51,000 to 56,000 worth of return. Sulit hindi. Sulit. Diba? Sobrang sulit. Kasi sa halagang 999, para nakuha ka ng 56,000 worth of return. Ang maganda dyan, hindi pa natapos. Because dito sa A-Team, we assure you na ito yung negosyo na walang chance na malugi yung capital mo kahit maliit lang. Bakit? Because dito sa A-Team, we offer lifetime benefits. Number 1 is the load benefit. Di ba may makuha kang e-load retailership? Actually, pwede mong gamitin yan to do business, loading business, or you could benefit from it personally. Siyempre, naglo-load ka araw-araw, di ba? Pwede kang gumastos sa paglo-load ng walang discount. But here in A-Team, since member ka ng A-Team, we offer you up to 8 to 10% discount on loading. So imagine, kung 4 kayo sa pamilya, nag-load kayo 25 a day, that's 100 per day. You load for 30 days, that's 3,000 per month. Nag-load ka ng 8 months, that's 24,000. Kung A-Team ka member, you get 10% discount, that's 2,400. So nakasave ka ng 2,400 8 months. Ang binayad mo naman sa A-Team, 999 lang. So, kung makita mo, mawing-mawi ka na. Wala ka namang ginawa. Tinuloy mo na yung pag-load mo na matagal mo nang ginagawa. Next is the electricity benefit. Actually, yung health drinks natin, primarily yung Coffee King natin, is not only used as a health drink, but yung foil kasi nun, meron siyang anong technology behind it. Yung foil niya, pwede mo siya i-wrap sa mga wires para maka-save up ng electricity. And here are the actual Meralco bills ng mga taong ginamit yung foil para makatipid sa kuryente. So imagine guys, 50% discount, 50% savings sa electricity mo monthly. Eh di ba bawing-bawi na yung 999 mo? Next, health benefit. Since we have pharmaceutical business, here in A-Team, we also offer up to 10% discount on all types of medicines. If you will check sa mga local drugstores like Mercury, Watsons, dito mas mura tayo, up to 10%. So, dyan pa lang, actually, pwede ka rin makabawi. Kahit, hindi ka nakabenta, wala ka napasali, wala ka nabenta ng package, itutuloy mo lang yung nakagisnan mo, which is paggamit ng gamot, pwede ka makabawi. Next, shelter benefit. Since we have a hotel in Boracay, we offer 15% discount on our Island Nook Hotel. Now, to discuss kung paano kakita, here are the 7 ways to earn. Number 1 is direct selling. Maganda dito sa A-Team, we give up to 70% discount on all products. Highest discount offered in network marketing industry today, lowest product prices. Example, Arab. Imagine dito sa A-Team. Suggested retail price ng Arab natin, which is one of the best-selling products ng A-Team, is 155 pesos. The distributor price, if you're a member of A-Team, you only get it for 59 pesos. If you get to sell at least 5 per day, you can earn a total of 14,400 per month by just selling one product and only 5 pieces a day. Imagine guys, yung 5 pieces, kaya mo ngang mabenta yan, wala pang isang oras. And you get to earn 14,400 per day. Eh paano kung 10 pieces yan? So you get to earn almost 29,000. Paano kung 20? And so on and so forth. Kaya malaki ang kitaan sa direct selling pa lang. Next way to earn is what we call the direct sponsorship bonus. Pag naka-sponsor ka ng isang kukuha ng package natin, which is a 999 package, you earn 250 worth of product voucher per direct sponsor. Next is matching or pairing bonus. Matching or pairing bonus, this is how it works. Dito, pag 1 to 5 direct downlines or direct sponsors ang meron ka, it's 150 per pair. Pag 6 direct downlines, you get 200 per pair. Ang formula nito is 1 left plus 1 right is equal to 1 pair. Paano? So this is you, this is your left. Kunyari, nakuha mo si 1, nakuha mo si 2 as your right group. Pag nag-pair yan, automatically, you get 150 or 200 depending on the number of your direct sponsors or direct downlines. Ganito yan. Pag si 1, nakapasali rin, kahit hindi na ikaw nakapagpasali. Si 2, nakapagpa-avail rin ng isa pang tao. So, since under mo siya sa left or right, kahit hindi ikaw nakakuha sa mga tao na yun, still, pares pa rin sa ilalim mo yun. Paano mangyayari to? Isusulat mo ba sa papel? Hindi. Yan po yung, dun papasok yung online business account mo. Yun ang use nyon. Every time ma-detect niya, may papasok sa ilalim mo, 1 left, 1 right, automatically, it will count as a pair, doon kikita ka. So here are the projection. Level by level income projection. Ganito. If you were to earn, bago ko ito i-continue, tanong lang, anong gusto mo? Mabilis na kitaan o sobrang bilis? Obviously, gusto mo sobrang bilis. Sobrang bilis, we suggest, syempre, dahil mas malaki ang pairing, pag 6 or more ang directs, we suggest at least you get 6 friends, 6 na kaibigan. Now, here's the question. Madali ba yan o mahirap? Actually, kung sa ibang company na 8,000 to 15,000, mahirap yan. Pero dito sa A-Team, the power of A-Team, it's a small capital. Why? Kasi sa A-Team, lahat ng tao, obviously, kaya yung capital ng A-Team. So, kung 6 na kaibigan lang yan, mabilis ang pasalihan. Tama mali. Kaya mo ba? Yes, kaya mo. Actually, paano mangyayari? Pag napasali mo yung 6 mo, here's the level by level projection. First level, you will earn 1,950. Why? You get 6 direct sponsors, which is 250 each, plus 450 for the pairing. Si 1, si 2, si 3, mag-prepare kay 4, 5, 6. So, 3 pair yun. So, 450. So, first level is 1,950. The question is, yung 6 friends mo, anong gagawin nila? Ang gagawin lang din nila kung ano yung ginawa mo. Hahanap lang rin sila 6 friends na mapapaabil nila ng package. So, paano yan? Ang maganda kasi natin dito, since this is online marketing, ang online marketing, sa bahay mo lang gagawin. You don't need to attend seminars. Hindi mo kailangan pumunta to do business presentations. So, ang gagawin mo lang is for you to post, like, and share. If someone is interested, kung meron kang friend ibigay mo lang yung link ng video na to para mapanood nila. Ganun lang kadali. Kahit nasa bahay ka, pwede kang kumita ng pera. Eh, ang tanong lang dyan, yung mga yung mga kaibigan mo ba, kaya maglabas ng 999? Obviously, kasi mababa yun. So, mangyayari to hindi? Yes, mangyayari. Makukompleto mo yung 6 mo? Yes, sigurado. Ang tanong, yung 6 mo, kaya rin kaya nilang kompleto yung 6 nila? Obviously, di ba? Mahihirapan ba sila para gawin yun? Hindi. They just need to post the ads. Tapos, pag may naging interesado, they just need to send the link para mapanood tong video na to, then that's it. Pag nagustuhan, pwede ka na kumita. So, yung 6 mo, pag nakompleto yung 6 nila, you go to second level, kahit hindi na ikaw yung nagtrabaho niyan. Second level, you will get a bonus of 3,600 pesos. Tanong, nasulit ka hindi? Nasulit. Magkano ba nilabas mo? 999 lang. Tanong, tutuloy ito hindi? Tutuloy. Bakit hindi tutuloy? Kasi lahat nga ng tao nakakilala na mga kaibigan ng kaibigan mo, lahat, syempre, may 999 din. Where compared to other companies, hindi mo sigurado kung tutuloy o hindi. May makuha ka man na nagbayad ng 8,000, ang tanong, yung tao ba na yun, sigurado may makuha na magbayad rin ng 8,000 to 15,000? Obviously, hindi mo alam. Pero when we talk about 999, the power of this program is, dahil mababa yung capital, lahat ng tao kaya. So, tutuloy ito, hindi. Tutuloy. Pag ito tumuloy, nakakuha yung 6 ng 6 ng 6 ulit, you go to the third level. Third level, the company will give you a bonus of, a commission of, 21,600 pesos. Ang tanong, kumita ka 21,600, malaki, maliit? Malaki. Di ba? Next is, tutuloy ito, hindi. Tutuloy. Kasi bakit? Bakit hindi siya tutuloy? Ang gagawin mo lang naman, magpo-post ka lang. Libre naman mag-post sa Facebook. Libre naman mag-like. Libre naman mag-share. Di ba? Once na may mga friends ka na nakita yan, nagustuhan nila, tutuloy yung business, yes, tutuloy. So, pag ito tumuloy, you will go to the fourth level. The fourth level is 129,000 pesos. You get a commission of 129,000 pesos. Tanong, tutuloy ito hindi? Tutuloy ulit. Siyempre, kasi kung nagawa mo, siyempre, magagawa rin ng ibang tao. So, kung ito tumuloy, kahit wala ka nang ginawa, dahil sinimulan mo sa 6 friends mo, sa 5th level, you will earn a total of 777,000 pesos. And 6th level, you will earn 4.6 million. It will go straightly to infinity. Tuloy-tuloy pa yan. Actually, ganito lang simple. Gaano kabilis kumita sa A-team? Gaano ba kabilis? Actually, this is the worst thing that could happen to you here. Paano? Ito lang tanong. Tingin mo kaya mo ba kumpletuhin yung 6 na friends mo within 1 year time? Siguro. Kasi marami nga dito, nakukumpleto nila yung 6 nila within 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. If I will give you 1 year time, could you complete your 6? Siyempre, sigurado na yan. Now, kung sinabi mo sa akin sigurado na yan, meaning, yung unang taon mo, that's your first level. So, you will earn 1,950. Tanong, yung 6 mo ba, pag binigyan mo sila isang taon, hindi isang buwan, hindi isang linggo, hindi isang araw, isang taon, to complete their 6, magagawa na hindi. Magagawa. So, meaning, your second year is 3,600. Therefore, third year is 21,600. Fourth year, 129,000. After 5 years, you earn 777,000. After 6 years, you earn 4.6 million. So, kung titingnan mo, hindi basta-basta kumita ng 4.6 million. And you have done this in a total of 6 years lang. Ang tanong, matagal ba ang 6 years? Actually, hindi. Kasi, ang tanong lang dyan, ang daming tao nagtrabaho na. Lagpas 10 years, lagpas 20 years. Pero hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin naipan ng 4.6 million. Yung trabaho pa nila, hindi kasing dali ng ginagawa natin. Ang maganda kasi dito, since online lang, wala kang kahirap-hirap. Hindi mo kailangan umalis ng bahay. Pero you have a potential to earn 4.6 million after 6 years time. But, this is my question. Hanggang dyan na lang ba yan? Diba? Actually, yung 4.6 million, may next na level pa yan. This is up to infinity. Okay? Pero pinakita mo natin yung 6 levels na projection. So, the point is, kung titingnan natin, ito yung worst na pwede mangyari sa'yo. Bakit worst? What if kaya mo sa kumpletuhin yung 6 ng isang buwan? And on your first month, kumita ka 1,950. Your second month, you earn 3,600. Third month, 21,000. And so on and so forth. Ganun lang siya kabilis. So next is leadership bonus. Leadership bonus, ito bonus na lang. Is what we call the one-leg leadership bonus. You get 75 pesos for every matching sales bonus of your direct sponsor. Dito kasi sa A-Team, kung titingnan natin, sa ibang company, pag wala kang pair, wala ka nang kikitain. Dito sa A-team, meron pa rin. Once na yung direct mo, may mga number of pairs siya sa ilalim. For example, nakuha mo si Juan. Si Juan sobrang sipag, sobrang taas ng pangarap. Pag yung grupo niya sa ilalim, lumaki, sa ibang company, wala kang palo. Kasi, wala kang right leg na prepare sa kanila. Dito sa A-team, you get at least half ng kinikita niya per pair. That is 75 pesos. So, for example, si Juan, nakuha niya si A and B niya. So, may pair siya. Ikaw, may 75 pesos ka. Being a leader ni Juan. Next, kung sa ilalim niya, may nag-pair ulit, another 75. May nag-pair ulit, another 75. Meaning, kumikita siya, ikaw kumikita ka din. Imagine, paano kung dalawang leg yan? Diba? So, ibig sabihin, you get at least half. Kasi kung 150 ang kinita, you get 75. So, imagine, kunyari si Juan sobrang sipag. Kumita siya 2 million pesos. Magkano sa'yo doon? Almost half, 1 million. May ginawa ka ba? Wala. Pero sa ibang company, kung wala kang kabila, lumakas si Juan, and this happens all the time, lumakas si Juan, lumaki grupo niya, ang problema, wala kang pampare sa kabila, wala kang nakikitain. Next way to earn is product sales point value matching bonus. Actually, ito mas nag-a-apply siya sa offline marketing, meaning yung mga taong nagbebenta-benta lagi ng products, clients sila. So, paano to? Titingnan natin, this is you. Diba? Sa network marketing business, hindi natin maiiwasan na hindi naman lahat ng tao mo na makukuha mo magaling rin sa tao-tao. Merong mga tao dyan na magaling naman sa benta. Kaso ang problema, sa ibang company, for example, nakuha mo si A, si Juan. Si Juan ang lakas sa tao-tao. Nakuha mo si 2, benta lang. Ano nangyayari sa iba? Sa ibang company, kung titingnan mo, wala ka nang kikitain. Kasi hindi naman magpapares yun. Diba? Kasi wala nga nakukuhang tao si number 2. Dito sa A-team, kahit malakas magbenta si number 2, parang tao na rin siya. Kasi every time na accumulate siya ng 900 point value, mangyayari, papares pa rin yan ng 150 or 200. Or, mag-act siya as one pair. For example, may nakakumulate ulit under you sa kabilang side ng 900 point value, another pair yun. So, 150 to 200. So, dito pwedeng tao, product, product, tao, o tao, tao, o product, product. Yan ang maganda sa A-team. Next way to earn is mobile stockist, store outlet, and citywide referral commission. If you have someone who wants to put up their own satellite ng A-team, pwede rin. Sa mobile stockist, we'll give you a referral commission of 1,500 cash commission, 2,000 product voucher. A mobile stockist, the worth is 40,000. Next is store outlet. The worth of store outlet is 165,000. Pag nakapag-refer ka niyan, automatically you get 10,000 pesos cash commission plus 8,000 pesos product voucher. Next is citywide outlet. Citywide outlet is 32,000 pesos cash commission pag naka-refer ka niyan and 25,000 product voucher. Next way to earn is franchise commission. If only you have someone who like to franchise our Captain Sandwiches and Rice Meals franchise, the company will give you a cash commission of 15,000 pesos plus 15,000 pesos worth of product voucher. Yung Captain Sandwich natin is worth 125,000 pesos. Pero maganda dito, hindi siya food cart type. Nowadays, mostly mga food carts, the cost is ranging from 70,000 to 90,000 pesos. Cart lang yun. Dito, sa complete kiosk siya. Kumbaga, kung titingnan mo sa picture, naka-enclose siya, naka-cemented yung ilalim, tapos meron siyang table sa side, tapos lahat sa 125,000, all in na yun. Nandun na yung lahat ng appliances sa loob, like refrigerator, mga oven toaster, mga blender, yung frying pan. Kasama na rin dyan yung mga kitchen sink, yung mga cabinets, lahat all in. Kumbaga magpapasok ka na lang ng worker mo, magsa-start na yung business. And sa 125,000 kasama na lahat, including tarpaulins for the menus, mga initial stocks, condiments. Okay. So nakita mong presentation, sa nakita mong ways to earn, sa nakita mong kapalit. Tanong, sulit ba o sulit na sulit? Sulit na sulit, di ba? Imagine, with that low capital, kaya mong kumita ng ganun kalaki with just 999. So, ang maganda pa doon, since this is online marketing, hindi lang malaki yung kitaan, wala pa siyang kahirap-hirap gawin. Sabi ko nga, di ba? Pwede siyang home-based lang. Pwede mo siyang gawin sa school kung wala kang, kung may free time ka. Just post, like, and share. Tapos pag nagustuhan, ang maganda kasi dito, since online marketing to, unlike traditional network marketing na kailangan, you need to do the presentations, actual presentation. Dito, you just need to send this video. Pag nakita nila, magugustuhan nila, hindi. Magugustuhan. Di ba? At ang maganda doon, nag-effort ka ba ng grabe? Hindi. Hindi man magustuhan, okay lang rin. Another advantage is, para sa mga mahiyain, syempre hindi naman lahat ng tao built para maging magaling magbenta. Built na may kakayanan sa pagbebenta. Built na may kakayanan magsalita. Di ba? Kaya nga sinasabi nilang network marketing, para lang yan sa mga magaling magsalita. Pero actually ngayon, hindi na kailangan. Bakit? Yung video na to, yun na yung gagawa ng business para sa'yo. Pero syempre, ikaw pa rin yung kikita. Ganun ng kadali yung business. So, here's how to join. You could send your payment through the accounts of A-Team, and here it is. Pwede rin siya sa mga remittance centers. And at the same time, yung commission mo, ganun din. We will send your commission once na ma-withdraw mo siya sa account mo. We will send your commission directly sa mga bank account mo or your preferred remittance center. So, that's it. That's the whole presentation. Thank you for your time. God bless.